guys, it's me. Oh.
Where's it at?
It's in the fridge. I'm gonna show you guys how to heat up.
Are you sure you have Mostaccioli?
Yeah, it's in the fridge, you idiot. Idiot. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to heat up my Mostaccioli. Stay tuned. Okay. Here is it. Not heated up yet. It's cold. It's been in the fridge for a few days.
Can I eat one?
Yeah.
Just to show everyone how cold it is. Oh my god, it's so cold.
So here it is.
Oh god, that's gross.
Here it is. Just so you guys can get a good view of it. Next step, you're gonna want a paper plate. After that, you're gonna want a fork. After that, you're gonna want to put your Mostaccioli on the plate, like so.
Oh yeah.
If you get some on the counter, it's okay.
Just pick it up and put it back. You can lick the fork if you want. I prefer not to, just because it's cold. So here it is on the plate. Here's a test of Nadia trying it.
Even though I already tried it.
Even though she already tried it. All right. Here. Here, do you want to put
really
do you
nice
want to put it in
sex.
there? Okay. So here is the plate of Mostaccioli. Putting it in the
salt.
putting it in the
Should we
mic.
put a towel over it?
Yeah, so it doesn't splash. Yeah, so this step you're gonna want to put some kind of paper towel, napkin over it, just so the sauce isn't gonna splash and make a huge mess all over your microwave.
I mean, we could do a tutorial on cleaning the microwave.
Genius. You're gonna put it in for, is there a pizza button? Oh hell yeah, there's a pizza button. You're gonna put it in for 10 minutes.
Wait, what is that?
I don't know. Wait, put it in for 1 minute, and then you watch that baby cook. Watch that baby cook.
Watch that baby cook.
So we're gonna test it and see how hot the Mostaccioli is.
This is how you test it. You're just gonna grab it and throw it in your mouth, and then we'll see from there. Oh yeah, that's right. That's very hot.
Can I try it?
Mm-hmm.
I don't even know why I'm in this video because it's not mine. It's okay. Oh, I forgot.
Reuse the same fork you used earlier when you set it off to the side or licked it clean. I'm just gonna wipe it off because that was
That's disgusting.
cold sauce.
You should
But
wash
you
it.
can no, you don't need to rewash it. You can just put it and use it back to eat your heated up stuff now. And then you're gonna throw your container away. Just gonna throw this away like that and throw it in the trash over here. Over here. Right there. Ew, I don't like my feet.
Alright guys, thanks for watching.
Hit that like and subscribe button.